My topic is solar tree. What is solar tree? Solar ହେଉଛି ଏକ ଶକ୍ତି ଯାହାକି ବିଦ୍ୟୁତ ଶକ୍ତିର ଉପାଦାନ ଏବଂ ସେ ତାର ଆକାର ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ପ୍ରକାର ଏବଂ सोलार अनेक पैनल रही है। पैनल गुड़िक गचर डाल छेड़ा परिका सोलार पैनल गुड़िक गचर शाखा परिका होता है। सोलार चाचू होता है। आजिकल शक्तिर चाहिदा बढ़ लगी जेहेतु भारत एक जनबहुल देश जहाँकि आमको एक चाहिदा शक्ति जोगाई है। एनर्जी बहुत आवश्यकता रही। The component of solar tree. The components of solar tree consist 5 main parts: solar panels, long towers, batteries, LEDs, stems for connections. Parallel thelatics. It can give maximum power by energy the solar panels. This technology is to improve the efficiency of the pan. So why we call it as solar tree? Because tree can produce their own food by a process is called photosynthesis. Leaves can produce food material for plants. Like this, in solar plates are producing electrical energy for the society. While solar panel work, velocity scan and torso, सौर शक्ति रो विद्युत शक्ति रो परिणत करे ए परंतरे velocity effect को है। velocity स्केल रो पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रॉन रे परिणत करी इलेक्ट्रिक जोगाए एवं सोलर स्केल मध्य डीसी रे परिणत एसी को परिणत करे इफेक्ट साहाय्य। need of solar tree एठी कम समय आवश्यकता पड़ता है। एठी इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी परिवारे ए सोलर ट्री रो स्ट्रिंग फ्लेक्सिबल अटे तेणु याको ट्रेन रो परफॉर्मेंस रो मध्य रिलेट है। Let's talk about its advantages. It does not produce air pollution. We do not have to worry about future electrical energy resource. People in poor countries have easily access electricity by set panels in their rooftop. That required is well less for solar trees. Its disadvantages are they are very costly, may cause hazards to the insects and animals and human eyesight from solar reflectors. Let's talk about its conclusion. To fulfill the increasing energy demands of the people in saving of lands, this project is very successful one. This can provide electricity without a power cut problem. The extra energy can be improved to the grid. Thank you.